hankering for something sweet. I'm kinda restless and I can't ignore the.
This is the first week for our new showroom, so this is when the area fills with architects and designers.
So this has been in the making since 2016, so it's really great this week to have it come into fruition.
My name's Kauta. I've been learning about architecture. We've been making like buildings and things like that.
This is a real game changer for us. We can showcase all of our products, we can offer collaboration to the architects and design community. Some really great opportunities to collaborate.
My name's Nikki. We've just done a little workshop at Knauf. It's been amazing. I mean, I've come here for inspiration, so for me it's something that's really, really thinking outside the box.
So the workshops that we've been running over the last couple of days just give us a great opportunity to get to know some of our new neighbours in the community around here. So we're inviting them in, showing them the space and actually just spending some time with them, having a bit of fun in different events.